Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out something weird. These are called the Traynor Miracle Face and Neck Lift Invisitapes. Comes in a pack and it's got these things. So what you're supposed to do is adhere these to the side of your face and then you connect them in the back. It's got these little silver tabs and you just push them through the hole in the back, whichever hole makes it like as tight as you want back there, and then it does this. I have used these one time, but I didn't do them right. I haven't done a tutorial on this or a review or whatever because I wanted to try them first, but I think I put them too low last time, so it just kind of made me like this. So I'm going to try it again today, and I just thought it would be really cool to show you guys to see if this is like something that you guys would want to try. Now, I got the pack that comes with, this is the facelift part, and then it also came with like a neck lift part, but honey, I just don't think there's any help for this, but maybe I'll do like, here. It's supposed to help you with your lifelines or whatever. I'm going to put them further up, like here, and lift up here. Oh, yeah, I really like that. Maybe put them... Okay, I'm just going to try it. Now, in order for these to stick, that part of your face needs to be clean. So I'm just going to like wipe off my makeup there. My hair's going to cover it anyways. And then I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair here so I can run the string behind it. Why do I have to have this much hair? Oh my. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Would you like a hair tutorial on how I just did this? So the way it comes with these little sticky things, and one side has like the little tape that you're gonna pull off so that it'll stick. So I'm just gonna make sure I get it where I've already washed that off. Oh, I've got a blemish there, that's not good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do it at an angle. I don't know. I pulled off the sticky thing. So, did I do this right? I did it wrong! I connected this wrong! Oh my god, it's supposed to like, this is the part you peel off. This other part is the sticky part. Oh my god. I'm such a mess. No wonder this didn't really work for me last time. Wow. I'm an embarrassment to myself. I'm putting this in here again. This is the sticky side. Oh my good Lord Jesus, please help me get through this. Okay, so when I pull up on it, you can see it pulls my brow. It does give me a little bit of a facelift. Okay, now let me fix this one before I do the same exact thing because I stuck it in the same way. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. But not really, because I think you guys should be used to my shenanigans right now. And I love you all for it. Just let's be real. Okay, so I'm going to try to get it on the same side over here, which I did clean it off, so that should help. Try to get like the same angle and everything. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm going to pull them back here. I think I've got a pretty big head, so I think maybe that mine will be in this last hole, which it'll be the first hole I meet. Okay, so you just stick the silver thing through there. It's a little bit hard to do. Oh, I got it. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna take down my fancy hairdo now. Ugh. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, so you can obviously see them a little bit in the front. They're transparent, so you can't see them like a ton. I use my beauty blender just to tap some little bit of foundation over it. You can't tell it that much, but your hair is gonna hide it anyways. So my hair hides it perfectly. I got a new monitor up here, so that's what I keep looking at. I don't know, I'll let you guys be the judge of it. It definitely feels tight. It definitely feels like it's pulling up. Now, I could also use the other one, place it somewhere else, but I don't know. I feel like my face is so chubby, it's not gonna make much of a difference if I do another one. You can also tighten it and make it more lifted maybe, but for me, I feel like this looks like a more natural of a little bit of a lift. So like somebody in my normal life or whatever probably wouldn't notice this, which is kind of what I would want anyways, like the more natural look. Myself, especially doing makeup, way that it has lifted the outer corner of my eyebrows and giving me a little bit more of a lifted look here. My eyes usually hang down a little bit right here because I have hooded eyes, and so you can't hardly see my makeup. But even when I open my eyes, it's not as compressed, if you know what I mean. Like I don't know if I'm explaining that well, but that's what it is. It's like it's not as compressed. I will probably keep using these. I think you'll be able to tell more of a difference if you do like a very winged look, more runway eye look, you know, like the models in runways and certain makeup campaigns. It's like got that really look, and so I think this would really help with that. So I'm going to try these again sometime when I do an actual look like that. But even just for a normal everyday look, I think that this has lifted me enough to where I really feel like I notice a difference. And then also the tapes, you know, you can see them. They are transparent, but you know, like the light reflects. There's a lot of lights in here, and the lights, I'm going to turn this one off. The light does reflect, but like even on camera I can't see it that well. And you might be able to put more foundation over it and cover it a little better, but I think your hair is going to hide it anyways, and you can always bring them back a little bit more if you need to. But if you're going to wear your hair back and you don't want these to show, then I don't think that would work. I think you have to wear your hair down, or like maybe if you did like a half up or something, but you're going to have something to cover these because it is noticeable, and obviously the string is. Now they have a different color string. I think it's like a dark brown, but I got the beige because I am blonde. Oh, okay, let me mention one more thing. I already took these off, but I'm such a spaz that I forgot to tell you where I even got these from. I got these from a website called alcone.com. I will put the link and everything in the description box for you guys. And I think that this set was $18. But they sell just the facelift separate if you want, like individually. And then they sell the neck part individually if you don't want both sets or whatever. And then they sell like the little tapes as well. Okay, now I'm gonna go. Love you guys.